Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to import activity to Strava from Apple Watch. Are you having trouble importing your activity to Strava from Apple Watch? Don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. 1. Use the Strava app on your Apple Watch. Download the Strava app on your iPhone if you don't have already. Open the My Watch section of the Apple Watch on your iPhone and install the Strava app on your Apple Watch. Open the Strava app on your Apple Watch and record your activities directly. This will then sync to Strava mobile app on your iPhone. 2. Use the Apple Fitness app and sync to Strava. Make sure you have connected your Apple Health account to Strava by going to Application, Services and Device section in Strava app and enabling the health integration. Any workouts recorded on your Apple Watch using the native fitness app will then sync to Strava automatically. 3. Use a third-party app like HealthFit. Apps like HealthFit allow you to import your entire workout history from Apple Health to Strava, even older activities beyond the last 30 days that Strava no will support. This is one-time purchase that can help you get your full workout history into Strava. Thank you for watching.